Britain is looking to buy the advanced Israeli-made Rampage supersonic missile, the National can disclose. A team of Royal Air Force officers and defense equipment and support technicians are understood to have visited Israel to examine the weapon, with a view to mounting it on the Typhoon fighter jet. Experts believe that the RAF is seeking a rapid and effective missile to help boost its lethality and replenish its stocks after sending a number of its Storm Shadow cruise missiles to Ukraine. The Rampage is similarly capable of penetrating Russian-made defense systems. The rocket-powered Rampage has the ability to fly at 2,000 km per hour with a range of up to 300 km, according to defense sources, and is near impossible to stop. It is really interesting that the RAF are looking at this, as they can't afford to load more Storm Shadows or can't get them quick enough, so it appears they're looking around for cheaper alternatives that essentially can do a very similar job but at a better price point, said Jeremy Binney, Middle East editor for Janes, the defense intelligence company. A Storm Shadow missile costs more than $3 million. While exact Rampage costs are unknown, they are understood to be in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Rampage was adapted from a surface-to-surface artillery missile and was developed by Israel Military Industries, alongside Israel Aerospace Industries. Its first known success was against the Iranian Masyaf missile plant in the Hama province of Syria in 2019, where it penetrated the Russian-made S-300 missiles defenses and destroyed a number of bunkers. The 570 kg missile has a 150 kg warhead along with precision guidance system and anti-jamming devices that can place it within 10 meters of a target when fired. Mounted on F-16 fighters, the same aircraft that Ukraine pilots are currently training on, the Rampage can be fired in salvos of 4 on missions that can destroy highly protected targets such as airbases, command posts, ammunition dumps and radar installations, with its ability to dive a supersonic speed at a steep angle, impacting on target at a velocity of 550 meters per second. The Rampage is very difficult to shoot down. It will prove a significant boost for RAF and other NATO countries that fly the Typhoon in combating the Russian threat. Sending 4 fighter jets carrying 4 Rampage missiles each allows us to strike under conditions we've never had before, said Eli Reiter, head of IMI Systems Firepower Division. It was not only a quantum leap in performance, but it had extraordinary cost-effectiveness, he added. Mr. Binney argued that if Rampage is converted onto the Typhoon, it would make it more attractive to overseas buyers. It is a relatively low-cost standoff weapon that keeps your aircraft out of range of enemy defenses, giving you the ability to attack key military targets in well-defended terrain, he said. It is understood that technicians at BAE Systems Defense Company could integrate the weapon onto Typhoons and have it combat-ready within a year of purchase. However, it will not be used in Kyiv's fight against Russia, as Israel does not allow its weapons to be re-exported to Ukraine. The RAF did not wish to comment on the visit.